Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuse is located for the front windshield wipers on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. So the first thing we need to do is pop our hood. So we're going to come to this fuse box right here. We're going to squeeze these two tabs. We can lift, and there's a diagram on the back of here that will tell you that this 30 amp box fuse right here is your fuse for your front windshield wipers. So it's a 30 amp box fuse. I will have a link down in the description below where you can get fuses on Amazon if you want to check those out. But I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.